Hi everybody. So in this little video tutorial we're learning how to use our vocabulary table. In this case we're working with a table for this video. If you click on this link you'll have the video open up for you again. We have 4 columns, so 1, 2, 3, and 4. First column gives us the words that we're focusing on, and so cope, moody, uncoordinated, recovered, shut-eye, etc. These are all words from the video, and you have over here also the time of the word. Okay, and in some cases I give you the time, in other cases I do not. All right. Next you have the context. The context it's the actual words that were used in the video, the sentence or part of the sentence where the word was used. So for the word cope, for example, the guy in the video said to see how he'd cope without sleep. That's important for 2 reasons. One, to make sure you have the correct meaning for the word. You know that words can have more than one meaning. And 2, to help you remember it, read the page on our website about how to learn words effectively, and you'll understand that having context helps us remember definitions better. Third column is our definition, and I say it can be in English, it should be in English, but French is okay for tricky definitions. If I take the word cope, to succeed in dealing with a difficult problem or situation, that's clear enough to me, so I can think when you're without sleep, that might be difficult. So how does he cope without sleep? How does he deal with having less sleep? That's good. You can see how the context helps over here now to learn the word cope. Think of no sleep. How do you cope? Over here, I did put the definition. Whoops, that's the wrong way to do that. I did put the definition in French also. So avoir des sautes d'humeur is what it means to be moody. I put it in English and in French. Now here I did not put the word for you. I instead put a link for you, and the link is right over here. You have 2 choices of online dictionaries. I suggest if one doesn't work, you try the other one. And now we're going to actually go in there and check that out. So click on, whoops, there we go. Check out our link and get over here, type in the word uncoordinated. Whoops, coordinated. There it is. Click on that, and there are 2 definitions. One, someone who was uncoordinated is not good at physical activities because they cannot control their movements effectively. Now let's go back to our context. Context was, by day 3, Garner was moody and uncoordinated. So would that make sense that possibly he's having trouble with his movements? Probably. The other definition, a plan or operation that is uncoordinated is not well organized, with the result of different parts of it do not work together effectively. Okay, that's not about a person being uncoordinated. So this one is the correct definition, so I take that and I can just copy that into my definition in my word table. So I'll do that, and I like to have the same font for the whole thing, so I'm going to change it to that. And then finally, I don't like having these links in there for other definitions. If you want to keep yours, you can, but otherwise just right click and, whoops, didn't remove it, did it? Right click and remove the links. Oh, I'm having trouble removing links. Let's forget about removing the links. So is there anything else I need to show you? Not in the table itself, but just a reminder that when you learn your words, if you're not sure how to pronounce the word, you go back to the video, but you can also go back over here and listen to the American pronunciation and the British pronunciation. Sometimes it's different. And I'll click on it. I don't think you're going to hear it, but I'll click on it and see what happens. Well, there you go. I heard it. I'm not sure if you did. So that's it for this video. You can remove words from the table that you know already, and you can add words that I don't put in there if you're learning other words, and it's going to help you. You want to make this table your table, but I do want you to follow the format here of using the word, the time if it's a video, the context, the definition, and especially when it's a marqueur de relation to indicate that that's what it is. Thank you.